so on and so forth. So this session is largely about you and me, alright, and our journey from being here, stressed, to how do we get here, right? How do we de-stress? How do we really stress? Why do we get stressed and how do we de-stress? I want you to just read these lines because they make a lot of sense. Human beings lose their health to make money, to stress, to fear, and then lose their money to restore health. By thinking anxiously about the future, they forget the present such that they live neither for the future nor for the present. They live, read these lines, they live as if they will never die, and they die as if they have never lived. And I think most of us fall into this category. You've heard about what lost in translation means? These are Marathi lines. संपूर्ण आरोग्याकडे वाटचाल, आरोग्यातून समाधीकडे आणि सुखी आयुष्याची गुरुकिल्ली. Most of you understand Marathi here? Yes. Alright, so we are good. But just to tell you, it's very difficult sometimes to translate. Like a Hindi film called Kuch Kuch Hota Hai becomes Kasatari Hota. You see, the meaning is lost. And the mummy returns. Ai parat ali. Yeah? So that's what lost in translation. But I'm going to work on these lines as we go along, and I would really tell you, remember these lines. संपूर्ण आरोग्याकडे वाटचाल, आरोग्यातून समाधीकडे आणि सुखी आयुष्याची गुरुकिल्ली. Whenever you want a joke, just tell me. Can anybody tell me the meaning of the word stress? Let's go quick because there's so much and I don't know how I'm going to finish all this, but I don't intend to. I'm going to be stopped somewhere in between. I know that either you may get bored or someone's going to tell me your time is up, let's leave. Alright? So stress, can somebody explain the meaning to me? What does stress mean?
Under pressure.
Under pressure, okay? Anyone else? One or two quick answers. I don't know the names, others I would have asked you all. And you guys are teachers and principals, right? So I'm really enjoying this. Asking questions. Alright. So anybody else, what does stress mean? Sorry? Overburden, yes. Alright. Stress, there's a word which, you just read this line, he presided over the economy during the period of his greatest stress and danger. Yeah? So that's one meaning. The teacher stressed the importance of discipline in school, right? In the computer language, it also means something. You can read that here. And in physics, as I was saying, it means the force per unit area, which takes to deform or something. Any physics teachers, I'm not into this, but just to tell you that stress had a lot of meanings. But stress, as you understand it today, was coined by a doctor. His name was Dr. Hans Sey in 1946. And before that time, stress did not mean stress as you and I understand it. This is the doctor who did a lot of work on stress, and the origin is from distress, which is from Old French and from the Latin word there. So just, it's nice to know where the word comes from so that you perhaps understand it better, and also to know that it's a recent times. Okay? So what is stress? Anyone wants to tell me what is stress? What is stress? We said whatever it is, but what else? So what is this current meaning of stress? We are all the time talking of, there are so many seminars on stress management, stress and so on, but what does stress really mean? Anyone? Mala stress ala. What does it mean? Stress sa artha kai? What would you say is the meaning of stress? Okay, I'm going to just share something with you. Have you ever seen a lion? Yeah, when he's going to catch a prey, how does he look? His muscles are taut, his eyes are focused, yeah? Nothing will distract him, and he just got the right amount of energy in his body. It's all about a focus, okay? Then what happens? He catches the deer, he pounces, alright? What happens then? Once he gets the prey, what happens? He's de-stressed. So that is acute stress. Okay? Now in today's terms, for us, day-to-day activities, whether it's crossing a road, okay, whether it's getting up on time, getting to work on time, finishing a target, everything is a stress. The body has no time to recover. Do you agree with me? So it is stress, and it's a chronic stress.